In this video, I will be installing hyiplab scripts on a subdomain. So let's get started. So I'll go to my file manager. And once I open my file manager, I'll just have to locate the subdomain where I want to install the scripts. So this is the subdomain pro. So let me just copy this. Then I have the script already on the main domain, so I just want to get the script. Alright, so look for the script. Okay, this is it. So let me just move it to the subdomain. So I've moved it. Let me go to my subdomain right now. I can see the script here. So what we're going to do is to extract the scripts. Now when you extract the script, you can see what you have in this particular place. You can go ahead, just delete this if you want. Then we have the files inside. So you need to move all these files, all these things here that are inside this folder called files. You need to move it. So you select all, then you click on move. So you need to move it to the subdomain. So that is done. Alright, so in the next step now, I will load the subdomain. So let me load the subdomain pro dots. And once I load this subdomain, let me confirm if it is actually loading. Alright, so the next thing I will be doing is, you can see server error right now. So it's almost loading up. So I will put /install to load up the installer. So correct. So you can see now it's loading. So that's for hyiplab. So you want to create a database. So I'll go to my SQL database wizard on my control panel. So I'm going to create a database. So let me name it DB Pro. Now click on create user. Then make sure you assign all privileges when you are creating the database. Now I've done that now, so I will continue with this installation. So we click on agree. Then you can see now that the server requirements, all of them are shown green, so it's correct. You click on next step. Then for this file permission, core bootstrap cake, you need to enable the file permission to 0775. So we'll go to core. Remember the subdomain or the domain where you have added the scripts. So you look for core. So it says core bootstrap cake. So core bootstrap, then cake file. So I will change the permission, then click on save. The same thing applies to core storage. So locate core, then storage. We change the file permission as well. Then locate core storage app, core storage, then app. You change the file permission. The next one is core storage framework. So look at framework here. Then the last one should be core storage logs. So look, next one now is you can put in any details here. So for the database name, so remember the database that you just created. So you just need to put that. Localhost is this. Then you can put in the email address. So let me use support at pro dot premier and I'll click on install. Alright, so it says it has been installed right now. So let me head over to my admin panel. So this is the admin panel. You can see the admin panel is loading correctly. So the admin panel, I have to put in my details and just go ahead to log in. So now the first thing that comes up here is to set up the cron job. I will copy this cron job stuff, copy it, then go to my control panel, search for cron jobs. Now when I search for cron job, in this section of common settings, I need to make it once per 5 minutes, then put the command here, that code you copied, then click on add cron job. So it has been added. Then you can close this. So let us preview the front page of the website and see what we have there. So that is correct. So the hyiplab script has been installed perfectly. Now the next thing we want to look at is how do we add some widgets, for instance like the trading view widget and all that. Like for instance, we also want to add live chat widget and WhatsApp widget. So to do that, first of all, let's go to trading view widgets and copy out the trading view codes that we want to add on this particular site. So you can select the positions, the areas that we want to add the trading view widget, and also let's open the trading view widget and see what we have there. Okay, so what we have here now is, so we want to look at the different widgets that they have here that we may want to put on our website. So we have the ticker widgets, and we also have the ticker tape widget. So it's still loading. So while that is loading, let me head over to where I have WhatsApp widgets, because in this video I will be showing you how to add WhatsApp widget as well as the live chat widget. Right, so that is that. Okay, so this is for the trading view widgets. Then this is for the ticker, the one that moves. The ticker widget does not move, it's static, but for the ticker tape it moves. So right now you need to click on get widgets, and when you click on get widgets, the code will be given to you, which you need to embed on your website. So wait for it to still load. Now majorly where you may want to embed this code, for instance you want to put that on the header, or maybe you want to put it on this particular section here, or you want to put it on this section, or you also want to put it on the footer section as well. So it all depends on where you want the location of the widgets to appear. So let's copy the code. So we can set up transparent background, and you can, for the color theme, you can, if you want, you can make it dark or light dependent on how you want it to be. So I've applied it. Let me copy the code right now. So I've copied it. Now let's go back to the Pro. Now for you to add this particular code, whether it is the live chat or the WhatsApp, you need to locate core. This is core. Then locate resources, then locate views, then you locate the templates. So the template currently here on this script, there are two templates actually for this particular hyiplab script. One is good while the other one is dark. So look at it here, gold and dark. So currently the theme is on gold, not dark. So while you are on the file manager, you are now selecting gold. So you open gold, bit gold. Now we need to locate where we want to put it. So you locate layouts. For instance, we want to put it on the footer section. So let's locate layouts. So we can see front end. So front end, now you click on view, edit. So let's put the WhatsApp widget first. So layout, then you choose front end. You can see front end dot blade, front end dot blade. So meaning the WhatsApp widget that we're going to be putting will appear on the pages, on the different pages of the website, but not the admin right now. So while you got the code, you're placing it just below this script, or you can still put it under this place, or this place, or you can put it down as well. So let it be down. So you click on, you paste it, and you click on save changes. So let us refresh the website and see if this WhatsApp widget has appeared for us on the website. So it's going to appear, so you can see that now that the WhatsApp widget has appeared. So you can see that. So you can also go ahead to change the phone number from the code. You can also change the message, the call to action title, just like that. So you can see that the code has appeared. The same thing applies to the live chat widget. So you just give a space, then you paste the live chat code that has been given to you. So that is how you add the WhatsApp and the live chat widgets. Now once the way you added it, it will appear on all other pages like plan, about, blah blah blah. Now for it to appear on the user's dashboard after registration, you need to put the code in master blade. So click on edit, then you scroll down as well, the same way you applied it on front page, that is front end. So you pasted the code here as well, just like that, then it will definitely appear. Now let's look at how then do we add the trading view widgets. Now there's another trading view widgets, that we skipped, and that one is the fake alert notification. So look at the code here. So I'll just copy it, then let me paste it on front end as well. So similar to the place where I pasted the WhatsApp widgets. So I will save it, then now let me refresh the site, and then you will see that the code will appear right away. Now you have done that on the front end. You will also do that on the master.blade. Since you have done that for front end.blade, you apply it also on this master.blade. So you can see now that this code, let's wait for the code to show up. You can see that now. You can see someone from India just won. So you can see now that the code has appeared on the website. So that is how you do that. Now let's get back to trading view widgets. So right now let me copy this code. I want to put the code, for instance, on the home page. So let me go to partials. Okay, I can also do that there. Let me go to sections. Now let me go to about. Let me open about right now, edit. Now I want to put this code somewhere just below the about field. So this is the about field right now. I can just paste it below here under this more info. So right now let me paste the code. Okay, let me open that. So let me paste the code below that section. So I can just choose to paste it within here. So all I just need to do is to paste the code, test run it, and see where it appears, if it is okay with you. So you can see that now that the code is appearing inside this place here. So you can see that right now. You can see that. Now for the trading widget, you can see this is a transparent trading widget. If I want it not to be transparent, remember from your trading widget, you just untick this place, then you apply. Then let me paste the code again, so you see. So let me refresh it. You see now that this one will not be a transparent widget. It's going to come with its own background. So you can see that right now. So that is what the trading widget offers you. So you can see that the trading widget is just appearing immediately below more info. So if I want, I can just go ahead and paste it before this section, the closing tag of section. Then let me refresh. Good. So now if I also want, I can place it just at the ending of the about code. Then if I refresh now, it's going to appear, give a space. So you can see the space it has given right now. Now that is the way you apply this code. So all you just need to know is, where do I want the code to appear? So wherever I want the code to appear, that is that particular place. Remember that you went to sections, so that's how the website comes in different sections. Like this about us is a section of its own, the investment plan is a section of its own. And where is investment plan inside this section now? So let's look for investment. Look at it here, look at the plan here. This is the section right now. So that is where you place the code. You can also place it in, let's go to partials. Okay, you can also place the code in user dashboard. So by the time you go to user, then you can see the dashboard here. This is the dashboard. Then you can place the code in the dashboard. All you just need to do is, as you place the code, you monitor how it appeared on the websites. So if you want to paste the code maybe after frequently asked question, or you want to place it after our, okay, let's look for where we can place another one again, after this subscribe button. So we will look for the section of subscribe button, of that subscribe button. So let me open it. That should be, okay, look at the subscribe here now. So I will edit it, then click edit, then I can just paste the code below it, and click on save changes. Then let me refresh now. I'll see that the code is appearing just below the subscribe field. So you can see that right now. I see where the code is appearing. So that is how you place the code for this particular hyiplab script. So anywhere you want the code to appear, just locate the section. Remember that the way you follow is core, resources, views, then you have templates. Then you select the theme that is currently on the site. For instance, is gold that is there. Then you look out for layouts, look out for sections, then also look out for users. So these are places where you can paste your trading view widgets, your fake alert notification, and all that. So that is that for that.